He's gone down at the first section. You can clearly see that
he's okay. We might as well have a quick same as really similar anyway to Mark this morning. A little bit of same as really similar anyway to Mark this morning. A little bit of
40 kilometers an hour.
And normally, well, 99% of the time would be wing arm changes how it acts on the journey.
Was really plaguing his session. Was hoping to find a bit more swimming out there this afternoon, but I'm sure.
All here.
120 something, 100, almost 130k. Hello. So, basically he's been working on that.
But Alex Spark, unfortunately, have a tip-off. As we just mentioned, the first two-thirds of
two races, obviously we were a bit down, but we have to
and reflect post-season in Nawale. So much as we see. Said for Aprilia to be immensely proud. Darn good. They've got the horsepower, but it's how they use.
Throw in there along the same lines as Jorge looks like he's going fast here.
Is 2 or 3 years as well. They've got 8 riders on the bikes this year. Right.
No, by the time he makes friends with it, he'll get to somewhere that suits him, and he'll be right at the food classes, right? Yeah. Moto3 and Moto2. The guy's good. He just hasn't been on a good bike. Anyway, I really do think Alex will be surprise us. That's out. Even though you lean through that kink, it's full open, and then when you go to break, if you realise
it's right now for from Livio Super, the team boss who's with him.
It's been a key point of the project since a long time. I mean,
they will be missed, and of course we wish good luck to all of
to say almost everybody has been soaked up by the paddock.
Still only has to take 14th place in this Grand Prix, which to be suited and booted and heading to the final awards gala on Sunday evening.
And he shows they're in trouble.
The most important day for Honda in 2023.
What we've already got, and I believe by doing that, worked on what they've already got. To see the new KTM on Tuesday.
Yeah, we really are looking forward to seeing that new KTM. And one man on the season finale that's found a sub 130. That's put Miller soft tire. Normally gives us these jaw-dropping shots. And this is why we love this Valencia circuit. Turn 13. I bet our guys in the IPF, our guys and girls, are fighting for that camera coming through turn 13 because it's just such an amazing shot. The rear tyre being pushed to the absolute limit. As the very best you can forget. That unforgettable final race here for the Italian. A 132.1 has himself back up inside that top 5. 5 kilometres top speed on the factory Ducatis. Down start finish straight here. As Bastiani 134.42. There are less than a 6th place with a 130.422. Only scenario where he can regain the MotoGP World Championship this year. Quartararo for Alex Rins 11th, Juanmir 14th. Zarco Juanmir 11th and 14th respectively. Marco Bezzecchi was superb, wasn't he?
If you like these videos, click here and here if you like more videos like this.